that just sort of puts a teaser out there for homeowners. But once those messages go out, we get responses back. What happens? We'll schedule a 15-minute consultation call just to answer any questions. But what I'll tell you is 9 times out of 10, if someone's read the message and they respond, they move the ball inside the red zone, right? So then it's just a matter of how do we get them across the goal line? And again, so that comes with helping them understand what we're doing, what we're asking for, and then a short conversation on the numbers to make sure things make sense for both parties. And then once everything's agreed upon, we'll do an initial look at my short-term rental addendum, and then their lease agreement, and then once that's agreed upon and a start date, everything else sort of gets into motion in terms of the logistical aspect of setting a place up from end to end and starting to procure services in any one of those areas.
Now, are you, because these are a lot of locations, I don't imagine that you're flying out to every single place and building these units out yourself. How are you doing this?
Right. No. So again, another aspect of